Judging by my last videos, it seems that I am stupid. I don't know, whenever I play the music, it just works, it sounds smooth, but whenever I do the voices, it just doesn't work. I'm just gonna hope that it works this time. This is a recording coming from my phone, and I play the music from my phone into the microphone, and then that comes out clear. So I thought maybe if I play my voice into the microphone using the camera, then I could probably do it. Yeah, who knows? This is just a test anyways. Let's just hope that it gets over with.
How much more pain must I go through with these voices? It's so dumb. Please and me, I just want to make them clear. Please don't die. I just really want some quality videos. I hope that you guys subscribe and like the vid. I work really hard. I just want to find a solution to these problems. Now I've tried again. Let's just hope it doesn't hate me and spares me.